Hey, it's Rachel here with WTI, and this is a supplement that I try to take most days. It's a powder that is easy to take because it doesn't taste like anything. It's called L-Glutamine Powder. It's by a company called Now, and a lot of people take this for different reasons. I like to take it for gut health. I find that it's really helped my gut health to improve. I take it on an empty stomach, so I might take it in the morning, or I'll put it in a big water bottle, fill the water bottle up with water, and I'll just sip on it throughout the day when I'm not eating. It's important to take it on an empty stomach. Other people also take it for muscle building and muscle recovery, so they might take it maybe 30 minutes after a workout. So what I'll do is I'll take about 1 teaspoon and I'll mix it normally in a water bottle. I'm gonna use this clear glass just to show you how easily it mixes. And again, like I mentioned, it doesn't taste like anything. So once I put it in my water bottle, it's easy to forget it's there, and it's just like you're drinking water. Super easy to take. It doesn't taste like anything at all. If you're looking for an amino acid supplement for either gut health or muscle recovery or building, definitely check out L-Glutamine. I love that this comes in 1 kilogram. It's by Now. It's an awesome product, and that's my point of view.